Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 13, Advanced Level. Question number 13. A class has between 30 to 40 students. Each boy in the class brings 15 chocolate bars for a class party to celebrate Teacher's Day. The chocolate bars are shared equally among the 20 girls of the class and their form teacher with no leftovers. Find how many students are there in the class, and how many chocolates bars does their form teacher receive. Part 1. First we have to calculate the number of boys in the class. Let n be the number of boys. Since it's given that each boy has 15 chocolates, so total chocolates equals to number of boys multiplied by the number of chocolates that each boy has. There are n boys and each has 15 chocolates, so total chocolates are 15n. Now we have to calculate total people. It's given that the chocolates are distributed among 20 girls and 1 teacher, so the chocolates are distributed among total 21 peoples. Let each of 21 people received k chocolates, where k is a whole number. Since there are no leftovers, that means all chocolates are distributed, that is 21k, that is equal to the total chocolates that boys have, that is 15n, so we can write 15n equals to 21k. Now divide both sides of equation by 3. So now we have simplified equation, that is 5n equals to 7k. So from above equation we can see that n must be a multiple of 7. But in question we have given that there are 30 to 40 students, also we have given that there are 20 girls, so if we subtract number of girls from total number of students we have range for number of boys, that is 10 to 20. Since n is the number of boys, so the value of n must lie between 10 and 20, and also we know that n is a multiple of 7, so we can check that which multiple of 7 is between 10 and 20. Some multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28. So from multiples of 7, we have 14. That is the only multiple that lie between 10 and 20. So we have n equals to 14, that is the number of boys in the class. For total students in class we have to add number of boys and girls. So by adding 14 and 20 we have 34 as a result. Therefore, there are 34 students in class. Part 2. To calculate number of chocolates that their form teacher received, first we have to calculate total chocolates that the boys have. Since there are 14 boys and each has 15 chocolates, so the total chocolates can be calculated by multiplying 14 and 15. So, the total chocolates are 210. Since all chocolate are distributed equally, therefore, each person will receive same number of chocolates, so we just have to divide total number of chocolates by total number of people that received chocolates. There are total 210 chocolates that are distributed among 21 people, so we divide 210 by 21 and have 10 as a result. Therefore, their form teacher received 10 chocolates. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.